Last time, before this, last time was in beginning of July.
How often do you play golf in St. Petersburg?
I don't play that often here. Of course, since the course got ready 2 years ago, I've been playing like 2-3 times each summer.
Please tell us about your experience of working in Russia in few words. How it all started.
It started, the owner of Gorky Golf, Sergei Goldin, asked me to visit him, and that's how it started. He's a member of Estonian Golf and Country Club, and that's one of my golf courses there, and that's how he knew me. And it's the experience working with Russians. I have no bad word of that experience. It's been one of my best clients ever. Yeah, sure.
What can you say about Gorky Golf Course now? Is everything the way you expected?
Yeah, of course we had our difficulties as in every big construction projects, but I'm really happy what I'm seeing right now. The golf course is finally in very good condition, and yeah, let's take it again.
You played today. How was the game? And how was the course?
As said before, the golf course is in very good condition at the moment. My game is not so good. I used to play a lot golf. I used to play good golf, but nowadays I'm not playing that well anymore. I had some good holes, of course, and a few birdies, but that's about it. I'm not going to win today.
What is the main Russian feature of Gorky Golf Course?
I think the main Russian feature is the clubhouse, and everything inside the clubhouse. I mean, food and everything. That's very Russian and in good way.
Can you name some golf clubs in Finland that look similar, like Gorky Golf?
Actually, in Finland there are no similar golf courses to this. I think I'm a big fan of Scottish style golf courses, and in Finland we really don't have that many. Maybe one in Vuosaari near Helsinki is a little bit like this one, but most of them are different, and this is, as said, real. This reminds me from Scotland, where golf has born. It's really Scottish golf course.
Okay, and the final question: who's your favorite golf player?
My favorite golf player must be Severiano Ballesteros, Spaniard who died already, but I used to caddy for him one golf round, and that's one of my greatest memories, and he was a great player.
Thank you, Lasse.
How did it go?